We'll see if he remembers to put it in four-wheel drive first.
Hope not.
Yeah, exactly.
Must be pretty deep, huh?
No, not bad.
It's not bad. We made right through.
Good.
We drove right through it.
Must get stuck.
We didn't get stuck. You did forget.
Oh.
Nice work. Probably have to move out of the way for him, dude. Uh-oh.
Lock up the diff.
There, you got it. Nice work.
You guys missed it.